Hey, this is my truck. I think you'll probably like it. It's got some old oil, some wet wood chips. It's got a plan in there.
It's a stick shift. Got 4-wheel drive.
It's not a stick shift, you idiot. Move.
Shut up.
It's pretty amazing. It's like a 84 or some crap.
For $100.
With the speedometer, it goes up to like 96. It's got some freaking other gauges and junk.
The key doesn't fit the hole.
It's got about 500,000 miles on it, but I just replaced the engine about 5 minutes ago.
Got a new radio in here too. It doesn't work though.
The radio works.
The key.
I replaced it 2 seconds ago.
The key doesn't fit, but it still runs good.
Start it up.
Oh yeah, baby.
Oh yeah. 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 Check this baby out. Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Pop the hood. Pop the hood, you The pop hood thing.
Oh.
Pull it out. As in right now. Pop the hood! You're pull it out. Quit giving it gas. Whatever, I still gotta fix this thing. It don't work very well. But as you can see, shut it off there, buddy. That's my truck.